Do you know what happens when you consume ginger every day? This fiery root, cherished in cuisines worldwide, has long been revered for its potent medicinal properties. Various cultures have used it to treat ailments for centuries. Science has stepped in recently, verifying these ancient claims about the power of ginger. It's not just a spice to add zing to your meals, but a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be explored. So, are you ready to discover what daily ginger consumption can do for your body? First off, let's talk about digestion. It's no secret that a healthy gut leads to a healthy body. Now we all know that uncomfortable feeling when our stomachs are upset. This is where ginger steps in, acting as a digestive superhero. By speeding up the emptying of the stomach, ginger reduces that heavy, bloated feeling that can often follow a large meal. It's like having a personal assistant for your stomach, helping to move things along smoothly and efficiently. But that's not all. Ever experienced that burning sensation known as heartburn? Ginger can help reduce the risk of this discomfort by aiding in the breakdown of food particles. This way, your stomach doesn't overproduce acid, which is the main culprit behind heartburn. And let's not forget about nausea. From motion sickness to morning sickness, ginger has proven to be a powerful force in combating that unsettling feeling. And that's just the beginning. Ginger has more to offer. Now, let's move to the heart, the engine of our body. When it comes to cardiovascular health, ginger has some impressive credentials. It's been shown to lower levels of bad cholesterol, that sticky substance that can build up in your arteries and lead to heart disease. But that's not all. Ginger also plays a role in reducing blood clotting. It's like a natural aspirin, helping to keep your blood flowing smoothly and reducing the risk of a heart attack or stroke. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for heart health, and ginger comes to the rescue once again. It helps regulate these levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can wreak havoc on your body. And if you're battling high blood pressure, ginger can lend a hand here too. It helps control blood pressure, contributing to a healthier, happier heart. So, ginger not only helps your gut but also keeps your heart in check. But wait, there's more. What if I told you ginger could also help to combat inflammation and oxidative stress? Yes, you heard it right. Ginger is not just a spice for flavoring your dishes, but it's a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Let's delve a little deeper. Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols and showgales. These mighty compounds can help reduce muscle pain and soreness caused by inflammation. If you're an athlete or someone who just loves a good workout, adding ginger to your diet could be a game changer. But the benefits don't stop there. These anti-inflammatory properties also play a significant role in fighting against chronic diseases. Oxidative stress, which is an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body, is linked to a host of health problems. Ginger, being a potent antioxidant, can help combat this imbalance, potentially warding off various diseases. So, from aiding digestion to promoting heart health and combating inflammation, ginger truly is a wonder spice. To sum up, consuming ginger every day can transform your body in multiple ways. It enhances your digestive health, boosts cardiovascular wellness, and wields potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. That's a lot of benefits packed into one small root. Imagine all these health improvements just by incorporating this spicy, pungent root into your daily diet. It's a small change with big impact. So, why not add a little spice to your life? Your body will thank you.